You've probably seen some wild dash cam video from police cars in the States or just about any vehicle in Russia where dash cams are all the rage. You know, they're not very common here, but that may soon change. And joining us now to talk about dash cams, Alex Jang, a UBC student who has a dash cam business.
That's right. I'm Alex. I'm the founder and CEO at BlackboxMyCar. BlackboxMyCar started 9 years ago while I was at UBC. My mother was involved in an accident where it took much longer to settle a claim because we had no witnesses and it was much difficult to prove who was really at fault. And therefore, I started using the dash cams, and fast forward 9 years later, we're still in the business of promoting and advocating everyday drivers like you and I with the use of dash cams to have peace of mind on the road as well as your vehicle is parked. So I started in my own bedroom. We started out with 2 dash cams at the time, FineView and Blackview, with just, I'd say, 4 models. And now we have, fast forward 9 years later, we have about 27 employees in this company. And we are now carrying 12 different brands and almost over 100 SKUs of dash cams across BlackboxMyCar, as well as on online marketplaces like on Amazon and so forth. So it's been a journey for 9 years. We're very excited to be going into our 10th year. And we're just very, very motivated to provide this and advocate really for the use of this technology, because it really doesn't hurt for anyone, any drivers on the road. COVID-19 was an unexpected encounter that we had to overcome and adapt to, like many other businesses out there. At the end of the day, we wanted to do the right thing for our people, as well as do the right thing for our community. So we donated over, was it $10,000–$20,000 worth of dash cams to first responders during COVID years. And in a way, COVID has helped promote road safety. And just because people had a little more time to install these dash cams on their own, it actually expedited the growth of the company, as we're mainly based online as well. I wasn't able to go to Korea because I usually make this trip to visit our suppliers, think we're Blackview, you name it. But due to COVID, I couldn't go last year. But this year, I was able to make a trip out to Korea, thankfully, in October. And we were able to visit our dashcam suppliers again. Actually, I was the first one to visit as an international suppliers for them. So that was it was nice to see them in person, and they were very, very happy to see me as well. And most exciting, I'd say, visit was that we got to visit our factory that supplies us and manufactures our battery packs. So BlackboxMyCar battery pack has been a huge passion for our team and for myself, really, because I don't think any other dashcam companies around the world are providing a solution like dashcam battery packs for their customers, because in our core business or in our core community here, people here genuinely care about the dash cams and their cars. No matter what kind of car you have, it really doesn't matter. And even for us, we just want to provide this peace of mind for our drivers, and therefore we went into this battery pack business. And I think we were probably the first one to start distributing and promoting the use of dashcam battery packs almost 8 years ago, even before many dashcam suppliers started carrying these dashcam battery packs under their own brand. So it was very meaningful for us to see our 2nd generation battery pack, BlackboxMyCar battery pack, that came out. As a team, came up with a few new business directions, and these companies are working towards something completely different away from dash cams. But that's also something that we've worked on for many years. I've always wanted to build a team that can tackle on anything to provide customers with solutions that can enhance their lifestyle, as well as their bringing any lively enjoyment or peace of mind, essentially. And that's exactly what BlackboxMyCar is about. And as a result of it, we founded 2 new businesses in this year called Centurium, as well as EVSol. And we're headed more towards now going towards EV charging solutions, as well as EV charging network, to using renewable energy like solar to power these EV cars. So a lot of things are happening here at BlackboxMyCar office this year. Yeah, I'll keep you guys more updated in the coming months, if not next year. After almost a decade later, with only starting 2 brands and 4 SKUs at the time, 4 models at the time, it's nice to see how many dashcam companies are continuing to fight and compete in this environment to be different and innovative, and continue to push towards an environment where dashcams become readily available or almost for everybody, and that it's useful for everybody. Again, it really doesn't hurt to have one. I don't think you can think of anything that that you can buy and it can kind of work against you or won't be beneficial to you. But for dash cams, it works for everyday drivers like you and I, to truck drivers, to police officers, and you name it. So it's very nice to see how these dashcam companies are continuing to promote in their own sort of language, and it's very nice to see these dashcams to come on board at BlackboxMyCar. Thank you for your continued support. We honestly wouldn't be here if it wasn't for our customers for past decade. As always, safe travels and happy holidays from BlackboxMyCar team. Thank you.